Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the values of x that satisfy this logarithmic equation. Now, to solve this problem, we need to remember the law of logarithm that says that log a minus log b is equal to log a over b. Now, in this case, a is log 16x, while b is log x plus 3. So when we apply this law to the left-hand side of this equation, we have that log 16x divided by log x plus 3 is equal to log 2. Now, when we compare the two sides of this equation, here we have that log this is equal to log 2. Now, this simply means that log 16x over log x plus 3 is equal to 2. And now, when we cross multiply, we have that log 16x is equal to 2 times log x plus 3. Now let us apply the power rule of logarithms to the right-hand side of this equation. That is the rule that says that we can take up this multiplier 2 to become the exponent or the power of x plus 3. When we do that, this equation becomes log 16x is equal to log x plus 3 squared. Once more, let us compare both sides of this equation. We have that log this is equal to log that. Now, this simply means that 16x is equal to x plus 3 squared. When we expand the right-hand side, we have x squared plus 2 times x times 3, that is 6x, plus 3 squared, which of course is 9. Rearranging this equation, we have x squared plus 6x minus 16x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now, 6 minus 16 is minus 10. So we have x squared minus 10x plus 9 is equal to 0. We can solve this quadratic equation by factorization. Since the coefficient of x squared is 1, all we need to do is to find the factors of 9 that add up to minus 10. And of course, we have minus 1 and minus 9, because minus 1 times minus 9 is going to give us plus 9, while minus 1 minus 9 is going to give us minus 10. So when we factorize this left-hand side, we have x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 9, and of course this is equal to 0. Now from here we have that either x minus 1 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 1, or x minus 9 is equal to 0 from where x is equal to 9. So we have two values of x. We have that x is equal to 1 and 9. Now to check our answer, let us go back to the original equation. When x is equal to 1, on the left-hand side we have log of log 16 times 1, which is 16, minus log of log 1 plus 3, which is 4. Now you know that 16 is 4 squared. So we have log of log 4 squared minus log of log 4. Now we can apply the power rule to this. When we do that, we have log of 2 times log 4 minus log of log 4. And of course, applying the subtraction rule here, we have log of 2 times log 4 divided by log 4. Now this is going to cancel that to leave us with log 2, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. And when x is equal to 9, we have log of log 16 times 9, which is 144, minus log of log 9 plus 3, which is 12. 144 is 12 squared. So here we have log of log 12 squared minus log of log 12. Once more, we apply the power rule, and that gives us log of 2 times log 12 minus log of log 12. And then applying the subtraction rule, we have log 2 times log 12 divided by log 12. This is going to cancel that, leaving us with log 2, which is exactly what we have on the right hand side. So both of these values of x satisfy the original equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.